Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all good. Today we are again here for your online classes. As you know that our schools are closed due to the COVID-19. So we are going to take start for our study in online classes. Okay, first of all I will tell you about the date and day. The date is 12th April 2021 and the day is Monday. And we are going to take start from English. Your English book name is English and this is for 7th class. Now we are going to open the content page. Here is the content page. As you can see, first lesson, the last sermon of the Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you remember, we have done reading of this lesson, all the question answers and the book work is also. Now we are going to take start for the second lesson, our villages, and the page number is 15. Now please open the page number 15. Here is the page number 15. Our lesson number 2, our villages. This lesson is about the villages. This lesson is about the village life, how the people spend their life, what facilities they have and what they don't have, and how they spend their life and what they do. Once Anjum's father was very tired of his office work. He did not know what to do. His wife suggested him to take a few days leave from his office and visit his parents in Nurpur village. Suggested, I have underlined this one word. Also this one word is bold. This means advised. Okay. Here we have learned that Anjum's father is very tired of his work and he don't know what to do. His wife suggested him that please go to the parents' village, and that one village name is Nurpur. He would be refreshed by living in the village. After a few days, he would return home quite fresh to take up his work again. And she also suggested him that if you will go to the village, you will be refreshed. Refreshed means feel good, and you will if you will refreshed, you will take start of your work again. Second paragraph is, the next day Anjum's father reached the beautiful village Nurpur, situated on the bank of a canal. Situated means located and the canal means water course. Okay, next day he has gone to the village and that village is situated on the bank of a canal. Bank means उर्दू में इसको हम किनारा बोलते हैं, मीन्स किसी भी नहर के किनारे पर हुआ क्या था. His parents were, move to the next page. Here is the next page. Overjoyed to see him. Overjoyed means very happy. His other relatives also gathered to welcome him. Third paragraph is, a village is a peaceful, calm and quiet place. Calm means silent. A village life is refreshing and inspiring as there is no noise and rush of traffic. Inspiring means exciting. Next one is, Pakistan is the land of villages. Almost 70% of our total population lives in villages. The population of a big village may go to 5,000 or 6,000, but a small village usually has a population of about 2,000 people or less. Here is the question, identify the topic sentence in this paragraph. This paragraph हमें वो कह रहे हैं कि इस paragraph में topic sentence कौन सा है find out करें. Here is, this one is the topic sentence. Our village is a peaceful, calm and a quiet place. In this paragraph they told us that almost 70% of the Pakistan peoples lived in the village, and the big villages have the population of 5,000 or 6,000, but in the small villages people are only 2,000 or less. The next paragraph, the villagers live in simple houses. Every village has a masjid where people offer namaz. Some of the smaller villages do not have electricity. The villagers have green trees in and around their houses. The trees provide shady sitting places in the summer afternoons. In this paragraph, we have learned that village houses are very simple. There are the masajids, means masjid, where they offer their prayers. And small villages don't have the electricity. There are the trees inside and outside the houses and they provide them shade. Here is a question, what kind of life do the villagers live? कैसी ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं? They lived simple life. Paragraph number 5, usually a simple village does not have a hospital, high school and post office. High schools are in nearby towns and bigger Villages. Mostly peoples living in far off villages are not educated. A teacher of the village primary school take care of the postal needs of the villagers. Postal need means that he is going to write the letters and read the letters for them. Here they also mentioned he also reads and write letters for them. Here is the question, what are the postal needs of the villagers? The postal need of the villagers to read and write their letters. Okay, now we will do the reading till here. Now we will do the words meaning. We are going to move the glossary. The glossary is on the page number 27. As you can see, glossary. Glossary is the words from taken from the story and their meanings also. Okay, our first word is bulk, means the greater or a main part of something or a large quantity, and we will write the meaning a large quantity. Calm, silent, custom, accepted way of doing something in a society. Dispute, disagreement on some issue. Harvest, the act of cutting and gathering crops. Population, number of people living in a place, city or a country. Retain, keep. It's also have, but we will do the keep. Rural, of the village. And the last one is panchayat, a body of senior members of village which works for the welfare of the villagers. You will write these words meaning on your notebook. Now we are going to do the book work. We will take start from the page number 18. We are going to take start from the page number 18. I have ready the pages. You will also write the page, ready your page like this. The first question, match the words in column A with their meaning in the column B. First one is fooder. Fooder means food for cattle. Loans. Loans means money given to be returned over a period of time. Population, inhabitants of village, town, city or a country, etc. Soundings, neighborhood of an area. Fuel means material for burning. Question number B. Consult a thesaurus and find the synonyms of the following words. Thesaurus, I have told you about the thesaurus. It is some kind of dictionary. Okay, first word is exchange. It means barter, barter, barter. Next one is change, change. Next one is conversion, conversion, conversion. Next word is produced. It means create, create, create. Harvest, harvest, make. Next one is pollution, contamination, 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 corruption, 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 and foulness, foulness, foulness. Next one is customs. Customs means fashion, 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 rite, right, and mode, mood. You will also solve these two questions on the book. Now move to the next page. The next page, page number 19. Question number C. Tick the correct option to fill in the blanks in each statement. First one is about dash percent of our total populations live in villages. 40, 50, 60 or 70. If you remember, we have read in the story that 70% of the population live in the village. The population of our large villages is about dash thousand. In the large villages, how many people are live? 3, 5, 7 or 8. It's 5,000. We also have read this one in the story. The main occupation of the villagers is, what are they doing? The villagers are doing mining, cutting wood, rearing cattle or farming. They are doing the farming. You will make a tick. Village woman dash. Fetch water, only do household work, work in factories, work in the fields. It's fetch water. The panchayat work for the dash of the people. Health, education, welfare, house construction. It's welfare. Now we will move to the next page on the page number 22. Now you will do this one question. It's grammar work. Linking verbs. What are the linking verbs? Linking verbs do not express actions, as we know that verbs express the actions, but linking verbs do not express the actions but connect the subject and verb to give more information. लिंकिंग वर्ब्स क्या हैं? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि वर्ब्स जो होते हैं वो एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, लेकिन लिंकिंग वर्ब्स एक्शन वर्ड नहीं है. ये जस्ट सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब को आपस में मिलाते हैं ताकि ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल सके. अ वर्ब सच एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ बी आर सीम दैट जॉइंस द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस टू अ कंप्लीमेंट इज़ कॉल्ड लिंकिंग वर्ब। यहाँ पे नीचे भी वो यही बता रहे हैं कि जो वर्ब है हमारा लाइक जैसे बी एंड सीम, ये जॉइंस करते हैं सब्जेक्ट को सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, इन्हें हम लिंकिंग वर्ब्स कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, साइमा लुक्स हैप्पी, हेयर लुक्स वर्ड इज़ लिंकिंग वर्ब। सम लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर बी, लुक, फील, स्मेल, प्रूव, go, run, resemble, appear, seem, etc. Now we will do the question part A. Complete the following sentence by filling in the linking verbs. हमने ये सेंटेंस लिंकिंग वर्ब के जरिए कंप्लीट करने हैं। द विलेजर्स डैश इन सिंपल हाउसेज, इट्स लिव। अहमद डैश बेटर नाउ आफ्टर हिज रिसेंट इलनेस, अहमद इज। इट डैश द विलेजर्स बाय settling their disputes, it helps. Yaqub's younger brother dash him, resembles. The panchayat dash for the welfare of the villagers works. My parents dash very happy are. Hopes dash true come. Sumaira dash tired, Sumaira is tired. Okay, I hope you will solve all these questions on your book and also do the words meaning on the book and also learn your reading. Okay, goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.